You're watching the Weiss channel. Da-da-da-da-da-da.
Woo!
Today we are continuing with complex numbers, imaginary numbers. And I would like you to recall that I is I squared is -1, I to the third is -I, and I to the fourth is 1. So we will be focusing on the fact that I squared is -1. Keep that in mind for the time being because we're going to use that today. All right? So here we're going to basically FOIL. Remember FOIL? Some of you prefer double distribute, which is fine. You can do it that way if you'd like. But what we're going to do is exactly what we did before with FOIL. First, outer, inner, last. For example, 8 plus 7i times -2 plus 4i. All right, what's first? 8 times -2 is -16. What's outer? The outer is 8 times 4i. 8 times 4i is 32i, right? What's 7i times -2? That is -14i. Add those together and you get what? And you get 32 minus 14 is 18, right? 18i. Okay, so this is plus 18i. And now last, 7 times 4 is 28, but it's I times I is I squared, right? So it's plus 28i squared. We're not done here because what's I squared? I squared is -1. So whenever you get I squared, we're going to substitute it with -1. Okay, so now we have -16 plus 18i plus 28 times -1. 28 times -1 is -28. So we have -16 plus 18i minus 28, or plus -28. What's -16 and -28? That would be 44, -44 plus 18i. Or 18i minus 44. Either way. Okay? Over here, if it looks like this, okay, I'm just going to rewrite it. -6 plus 7i times -6 plus 7i. First, -6 times -6, positive 36. Outer. -6 times 7 is -42i. 7 times -6, -42i. Add them together, -84i. Okay, minus 84i. Last, 7i times 7i, 49i squared. But 49i squared is -1, right? So may I just say that this is 36 minus 84i minus 49. Is everyone okay with that? Because 49 times -1 is -49. 36 minus 49 would be -13. So we have -13 minus 84i. Piece of cake. Because I squared is -1, should I not have skipped that step?
No. Yeah, I got it.
You good? Okay.
It clicks.
Okay. I'm not going to skip that step this time. All right. First, -3 times -8 is positive 24. Outer. -3 times I is -3i. Inner. -3i times -8 is positive 24i. Add them together, you get positive 21i. Okay. Plus 21i. Last, -3i times positive 1i is negative 3i squared. Instead of I squared, I'm going to put in negative 1. Okay? Negative 3 times negative 1 is a positive 3. So 24 plus 21i plus 3. You get 27 plus 21i. Easy. Okay? One more time. 3 minus 7i. 3 minus 7i. First, 3 times 3 is 9. Outer, minus 21i. Inner, minus 21i. Add them together. Minus 42i. Last, negative 7i times negative 7i is plus 49i squared. But instead of I squared, I put in negative 1. 9 minus 42i plus 49 times negative 1 gives me 9 minus 42i minus 49. 9 minus 49 is negative 40 minus 42i. Do you get the idea, or do I need to do a few more examples? I think you got you're good? You've been watching the Weiss Channel. Da 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 da.